What's up, tubers? I got this little buck loader here. I'm trying to fix the problems it had. Originally, I'm going to have to redo these because they don't stick out far enough. I figured out why these things they have were originally so long, because they got a big old round knob here, and that round knob won't fit unless this sticks out further. So that's that. I also checked this new plate that I made because the original plate was pretty jacked up. Where's it at? Right here. The original plate, you can see right here, there's two pieces, and these are bolt here, a 5/8 bolt. That's actually pretty clever design, where you could just cut the threads off of the bolt and then flatten it in, and or you could actually put the bolt in, put a sleeve here, tighten that bolt up with a nut and washer or whatever in the sleeve, and weld it, and then when it cools, release that nut and sleeve, and then just cut it off just right after or before the threads. That would make it nice and true this way. Well, I don't know, whatever that word is that makes it like 90 degrees perfectly all the way around, straight in and out. But anyway, the problem this thing has is this side here, the way they cut, it's hard to explain it, but the way they cut, the angle here made this piece, see, it made this piece stick out a little, or stick in a little, whichever it is. I think it made it stick in, because if you look right now, this piece is on the inside here, and this piece is just sticking out here. But when I measure from this corner and this corner to the edge of the loader here, I get the same measurements from the front of the tractor here to the loader, to the rear of the loader bucket, to the front of the tractor here to the rear of the loader bucket. So I think what I got to do, I have to weld a couple more plates on here that go across, that go up here, and then over and down and under. So that'll make these, which aren't aligned properly in plane up here, which is what they need to do, and which is right now where they're at. It's leveled like it's supposed to be. It's not all crooked or cockeyed, and the measurement from that pin down and that pin down is the same. The measurement from the front of the tractor on this side to the bucket, and the same on that side of the tractor, so the bucket is the same. So yeah, and there's other issues too, where you can see here, well, that's a major crack right there. It goes all the way around. You see it there? It's cracked. Shitty weld there. And not sure if it's on this side. It might be on the other side as well. I haven't really looked at everything. Always just looking at the arms. And I mean, they're not terrible, but I'm gonna put a gusset between, like here, so it'll go from here out, and then from here straight across to here. So I'll support on the back and on the front, so it'll be gusseted. So I ain't gonna have to worry about that breaking. And then here, I'll gusset this one as well from the bottom. They had gussets going like this, So I'll do that as well, but I'll also add another gusset that goes straight down from like here to here this way. So like you can see here, originally they just had one gusset. I'll do 2 gussets like on the outside corners going up and down this way, and then another cap to cap it off from outside of the gussets all the way down to the edge of this plate here, which flips into the tractor. And then I'm hoping I can get away with a 1/4 inch on each side, 1/4 inch plate to do that. Alright, that's it. Hopefully that makes sense and y'all get it, but if not, hit me in the comments. Alright, later.